the beautiful girl that I met made in Japan. The beauty of her face was beyond my wildest dreams.
Sebab kau terlalu indah, dari sekedar kata dunia berhenti sejenak menikmati indahmu.